Hello everyone, welcome to Doing It channel. Today is going to be the first lesson of the Vue.js series. To know about Vue.js and why you should start using Vue.js, just check out this video. It will explain all the things that you need to know about that. One thing that I would say is it's a progressive JavaScript framework. That means you do not have to convert the whole of your application to Vue.js to use it. You can start by a simple component, creating simple part, simple section of your website in Vue. Alright, so let's get started. All you have to do is add a JavaScript, the Vue.js library to your HTML page like this. And next, just create a div with the ID of app, and let's start writing some Vue.js. Okay, first let me start with script tag, and I'm going to create a new Vue instance. So to do that, I'll have a variable called app, and I'll say new Vue. Okay, now this new Vue instance has some properties to it. So it uses an object right here, and the first object tells it's called EL, stands for element. So the Vue.js instance should know which element to target. So that is why we need to pass a selector. So you can use any CSS selector. I'm going to do app because I have added app as a selector. Okay, so now we have instantiated the Vue instance. Now let's show something in the web page. So let's have a message. We have another property called data, and this property data will have all the data that we need to show in our application. So for example, if you want to show a message, then we can say message, say hello world. We'll have it like that, meaning the comma here. Now we can do simply, let's open a paragraph tag and do double curly brackets and type in message. Now this message represents this message over here. So Vue proxies all this. You don't have to do this data.message, something like that. The Vue.js does some magic and proxies this as to this. Alright. So now in the Vue instance we know about two properties that it has. It has the element property and the data property. The data property will contain all the data that we need to show in our UI. So when we are thinking about building front-end applications, we should think about data, the state of the UI, and then build the DOM accordingly. Alright, let's check this out on the browser. Refresh. We can say hello world. We can see. Let's check out another area. So we have used this app as a variable. So let's look at that. As you can see a lot of things. Now this data message is very reactive. So if I change this, it's going to change in our application as well. To change this, I'll do app.message and new string. When I hit enter, this is going to change the variable inside the Vue instance and therefore change the HTML that we show. There you go. So that covers the first lesson. Now you know how to create a Vue instance and get started with Vue.js. Alright, see you on the next lesson.